Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Najiha binti Muhammad Uzi. Today I want to present about a review on the river water filtration system. My supervisor is Madam Rosnani Nazri. I'm from Bachelor of Science, Honors Applied Chemistry, Faculty of Applied Science, UiTM Perlis. Table of content, introduction, literature review, conclusion, and recommendation. Background of this study. Water is one of the most controllable natural resources due to its diversion, transport, storage, and recycling capability. Numerous metropolitan centers in various regions and countries that rely on river water supply have seen a decline in water quantity and quality as a result of climatic, environmental, and human stressors. Based on the Abdul Razak and others in 2015, in Malaysia, water drawn from river is commonly utilized as drinking water, including water drawn from Sungai Langat, Sungai Selangor, and Sungai Kinta on the west coast peninsula Malaysia. Now we go to the problem statements. First one is natural mineral erosions in combination with considerable human activity are the primary resources of environmental contaminant in the aquatic system. Since the beginning of civilization, metals have been released into the environment at an exponential rate, and the environment, particularly water body. Although these metals ultimately end up in the sea, they are usually carried via river. Additionally, the polluted river water presents a major danger to human health, particularly when used as drinking water. Now we go to the research question. First one, what are the methods to filter river water for use as water supply? Secondly, what are the frequently used materials in river water filtering system? Next, what are the environmental and sustainable implications of river water filtration system? Next, what is the economic feasibility of different river water filtration system? And last one, what are the differences between existing river water filtering system in Malaysia and those in other countries? Next, we go to the objective of study to demonstrate various methods for filtering of urban river water for safe water supply, to conduct a review of the most frequently used material in river water filtering system, to evaluate the environmental and sustainability implication of river water filtration system, to determine the economic feasibility of different river water filtration system, and last one, the objective is to establish a distinction between the existing river water filtering system in Malaysia and those in other countries. Now we go to river water pollution, the presence of nitrogen and phosphorus in river water. Nitrogen and phosphorus are two critical biogenic components that often regulate total reproduction in aquatic environment. Presence of heavy metal in river water. According to the Zhao and others in 2015, industrial waste with a high concentration of heavy metal pollutant were released into the environment without being properly treated or recovered. According for the eutrophication of river water, according to the O'Haran in 2018, eutrophication is a condition caused by an excess of micronutrients generated from human sources, which result in excessive plant growth and the extinction of less competing species. Now we go to the method for filtering of urban river water. Gravity-driven ultrafiltration. Gravity-driven ultrafiltration is a technology that is used to filter river water before it is released to the environment. Based on the Ishaq and others in 2021, it has been shown that this filtering process is successful in removing potentially harmful bacteria from contaminated river water sources. Then we go to the adsorption filtration. Adsorption is a phenomenon that serves as a common method for the removal of organic and inorganic contaminants. Next, we go to the reverse osmosis filtration. Reverse osmosis purification is a physical separation method in which the normal flow of water is driven through a barrier towards a more concentrated solution using positive pressure gradient to counteract the osmotic pressure. Next, we go to sequestration filtrations. In the water treatment industry, polyphosphate is a chemical that dissolves or removes mineral scale. For ion exchange filtration, it is a low-cost technique for the removal of wide range of contaminants from water that makes sure of synthetic design for ion exchange and other process. Now, we go to the natural organic used to filtrate water. First one is Moringa oleifera seeds. It is used in water because of its ability to reduce turbidity and the presence of microorganisms. Activated carbon. It is frequently used to remove impurities from water because to its high absorption capacity for such compound, which is a result of their huge surface and porosity. Next, we go to the ceramic. According to Hein and others in 2022, ceramic membrane outlasts polymerate membrane in terms of durability, enabling them to be employed in situations that would be impossible to use polymerate membranes. And lastly, sands. According to the Abdel Shafi in 2014, this medium is described as being simple, low cost, and successful as water treatment approach. Now we go to the environmental and sustainability impact of river water filtration system. Reasonable cost with little environmental impact. Ecological friendly, non-toxic and biodegradable. This is because the environmental benefit of polymer-based coagulants. Next, we go to the economic cost of river water filtration system. Expense of this chemical in the water treatment. It was discovered via study that commercial water treatment operator would prefer not to employ coagulant in the water treatment process in order to save money on the expense of this chemical in the water treatment process. Biofiltration. Due to its simplicity of use and low cost, using biofiltration to decrease metal in wastewater is very useful, effective, and helpful with or reducing metal in wastewater. Now we go to river water filtration system in Malaysia and other countries. In Yangtze River, China, they use gravity driven membrane system, whereas in Malaysia, they use inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry, and in Malaysia, they use physiochemical testing. For the conclusion and recommendation, in river water, there are presence of nitrogen and phosphorus, heavy metal, which lead to eutrophication. Various methods we can use to filtering wastewater, such as gravity-driven ultrafiltration unit, absorption filtration, reverse osmosis filtration, sequestration filtration, and ion exchange filtration. Most frequent used material in river water, such as Moringa oleifera seeds, activated carbon, ceramic, and sand. River water filtration is a cost-effective and environmentally. Malaysia implements physiochemical assessments, but Yangtze River use gravity-driven system to purify river water. The recommendations: use natural organic material to purify river water, improving the method of water consumption monitoring, apply filtration system management using natural organic with large scale around the world. Thank you for today.